Stop scrolling. Look at this wiggle. If you want a dessert that screams comfort food but takes literally 10 minutes to make, you have found the one. This is the ultimate budget-friendly creamy dessert. No oven, no eggs, and it tastes like $1,000,000. Seriously guys, it's dangerously delicious. Let's dive into this easy recipe right now.
Welcome to our kitchen.
I hope you will join our big family. Let's start our recipe.
Start with 1 liter of cold milk in your pot. I'm adding 1 cup of sugar. Adjust it to your sweet tooth. Now, hit it with a splash of vanilla extract or powder. This is the secret to that bakery-style aroma. Here comes the magic thickener. 5 big tablespoons of cornstarch. Important tip, whisk it all cold. Dissolve everything before turning on the heat. If you have mastic gum, throw a tiny bit in. It gives it a chewy, premium texture, but it's totally optional. Turn on the heat and keep whisking. Don't stop or it might get lumpy. We want it smooth as silk. Once it starts bubbling and thickening like a rich custard, throw in some crushed pistachios or nuts for that extra crunch inside the cream. Look at that pour. It's pure velvet. Pour it into your favorite serving cups. The smell of hot vanilla milk right now is just cozy vibes all over. It literally warms your soul. Now you can stop here or take it to the next level. I added a simple chocolate ganache layer on top. If you're out of chocolate, a drizzle of sweetened condensed milk or caramel works wonders too. Banana slices go perfectly with this creamy base. It balances the sweetness. Top it off with more pistachios for that professional chef look. You can eat it warm for a cozy treat or chill it in the fridge for a refreshing summer dessert. I couldn't even wait for it to cool down. Look at this texture, so creamy, so light. It's the perfect quick family dessert. Try it out and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes. Love you guys.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I love you, my wonderful followers. See you soon.